good, y'all? It's THEEMAVERICKK and I'm back with another video. As you can see, it's the first Sunday of the month, March 1st. Got my Wolf Grays on. We're here at Sneaker Politics for Shake Back Sunday, so you know we about to show y'all some good stuff. It was a crazy day yesterday. Like, the mall was packed, people was fighting, everything. Like, a lot was going on. The demand was there, but the shoes was not. So a lot of people are upset right now. But thankfully, I was able to get my pair. That's all that really matters. Y'all got y'all shoes? Let me know in the comments. And stay tuned for more. What's good, y'all? It's THEEMAVERICKK and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see, we have a banger. Definitely one of my favorite shoes that's dropping this year. We have the True Red Air Jordan 13s. Also, before we get started, the Wolf Gray 5s just released. How's everybody doing? Did everybody get their shoes? It was definitely crazy. The demand was there, but the shoes was not. I got my size. Thankfully, I got mine for Valentine's Day. But I know a lot of people did not get their size. Like, when I went to the mall, there was like 60 people in line at like 3 o'clock waiting to see what's left after the raffle, which was crazy to me. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you lucked up and you were able to get your 5s. All right. Also, I have some videos out. If you haven't watched those, make sure y'all go watch them. I have the Upside Down, Stranger Things, Phone Posits. I have the Hydrangeas. Those are the 2 recent videos. So if you haven't watched those, make sure y'all go watch them. Now let's get started. Also, this is a grade school pair. I will compare them later in the video. This is the box. White, black, true red. Some people are calling them cherry. Some people are calling them Chicago. But the name on Nike is True Red 13s. So that's what we're going with for the video. And I will insert a picture of the difference from the 2017 pair that dropped to this one. I see why a lot of people are calling these cherry because the red is a lot more vibrant. That's how they come wrapped. Double wrapped. So we have red suede, like super hot, vibrant red suede. We have Jordan right here. Then on the tongue, we have a black Jumpman, embroidered Jumpman. The tongue is also that white tumble leather. No detailing on the inside, just a size tag on the tongue. Oh, and then on the insole, there's a black Jumpman. Then on the bottom, we have white, red, and okay, then we have this bubble, has red on the inside, and then a black Jumpman. Then we have the cat eye here, or a bubble, whatever you call it. Same thing. A lot of people's favorite part of the shoe. Yeah, not too much details, but definitely a clean shoe. I really like it. I'm not a big fan of 13s, but I do like this cherry red looking color. I can see why people call them cherry red. I probably will call them cherry red. These are coming full family sizing. The men pair is about $215. Not sure the exact pricing on the grade school and toddler preschool and stuff like that. These did drop in '98, and then they retroed in 2010, then came back in 2017. So now they're back again in 2026. So Jordan has been giving us a lot of the Chicago colorway shoes. As you can see, I kind of laid them out back here. Got the cherry red 12s, the 5s, the 3s, got the Flu Games, metallic 5s up there, not really a Chicago color. But then we have the Lost and Founds, we have the black toe ones, now we got the 13s. Also, the Candy Cane 14s, I did put them up there, but they haven't re-released. So hopefully we're able to get that shoe. soon. Hopefully they get my size. Hopefully they have grade school. I know they had them last time. So this is the grade school pair. I'm gonna just do some quick comparisons. Obviously the men's pair is made better than the grade school. I did want this shoe, but after looking at like how it came, I kind of don't want it anymore. It's like glue all over. It's always excessive glue and creasing on 13s that I don't really like. I feel like it's a very rushed job. And to say that people paying real money for this, like, this is unacceptable. There's glue all on it. They had like white stuff all on it, but I cleaned that off. Now, comparing it to this one, not much of anything, not that much glue. It's a little bit of glue that's not needed, but it's not bad at all. Definitely feel like they took their time with the men's. But I just feel like us people that wear grade school want the same quality as the men. Also, like the structure of the shoe, this part is a lot bigger than this. And I don't like that. I feel like it's all bunched up together. Look at the toe box compared to the men's. Like, this is crazy. It seemed like, it looks like somebody already wore this shoe, but it's brand new. Then on this one, it's like straight leather. And then there's pebbled leather. Well, this one's pebbled leather too. So they both have the pebbled leather on it, but you can't really tell on this one. This one is all creased up. Looks like it's, if you wear it one time, it's gonna crease a lot worse. Whereas the men pair, it's definitely a lot firmer and a little harder to crease. But this one is like, you put it right on, it's gonna be creasing. It's creasing right here. It's just like the structure of the shoe is just not it. Grade school 13s is always poorly produced compared to the men. I feel like a lot of other shoes, grade school shoes, is always poorly produced, which I don't really like. But these are the True Red Air Jordan 13s. They're releasing either March 13th or March 14th. They're subject to change, but I think I'm not really sure. It says the 13th, but that's a Friday, so they might push it back to the Saturday. Hopefully they don't push it back too far. But yep, this pretty much wraps up their video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching the channel. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. And let me know how y'all Saturday went getting those wolf grays. Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail. I can't